Have you protected a worksheet but have forgotten the password? Or you want to change the data in a protected worksheet but don't have the password to change it? This tutorial will show you how you can unlock protected worksheet and make all the changes you want to make. First, let's start with protecting a worksheet. To protect a worksheet, right-click on the Sheet tab and select Protect Sheet. Input your password, press OK, and confirm the password. When a worksheet is protected, it becomes uneditable. You can only edit it after you have unlocked it with the password that was used to lock the sheet. Let us assume I've forgotten the password to this sheet. Now, how do I unlock this sheet to make it editable? I'm gonna close the sheet. This is the Excel file. What you have to look out for is that the file has an extension. The file extension of Excel document is XLSX. The file extension shows the type of file. Let me show you how you can make the file extension to show if your computer hides the file extension, like with this file. Open any folder. This is the Excel file without the extension. Click on File and select Options. Go to View, and in the options, uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. Click on Apply and OK to apply the changes. You can see the extension added to the file name. Always make a copy of the original file and work with the copied file, so that if anything happens, you will still have the original file intact. Right-click on the Excel file, select Rename. Delete the XLSX and replace it with ZIP. Select OK to apply the changes. Double-click to open the copied file. Double-click to go into Excel and double-click to open the worksheet. You will see the protected worksheet here as an XML document. What we will do here is to minimize the sheet and drag the copy to the desktop. Right-click on the file, go to Open With, and select Notepad. In the Notepad, press Ctrl F and search for Protect. If you do not find Protect, then it means the file you opened is not the protected file. Start from the angle bracket here and carefully select to where the angle bracket closes. You must be cautious here. Select only the content that falls within the angle brackets and make sure to select both brackets as well. Press backspace or delete to delete the highlighted text. Close the notepad and select Save to save the changes. Go to the zip folder and delete the protected sheets. Select and drag the amended sheet on the desktop to the zip folder. Press OK and close the zip folder. Select the zip file, right-click on it and select Rename. Delete the zip and replace it with XLSX. Select Yes to apply the changes. Open the Excel file and do whatever changes you want to make. And guys, this is how you unlock a protected worksheet. Subscribe for more contents.